The Notes tool. Now this is quite handy if you need to leave a note for yourself or for an art editor perhaps. Basically you just click on that, click in the screen and then type in anything that you like. Okay, now you can close that up by just clicking on the little close icon, but you still have this little floating note that will give whoever's looking at the image the opportunity to double click on it and it'll open up your note. If you want to change the color of your note, click up to the annotation color here, then use the eyedropper on, let's go for the green of the sea here. Click once, hit return, and it'll change the color for you. So that is our note, and you can have as many of these as you like. Let's just close that up for the moment. Now the other type of note you've got is the audio annotation tool. Basically that is just the same, except that if you've got a microphone attached to your computer, you can, let's pop that down here, click there, and then basically hit start to begin your recording, and then stop to stop your recording. I'm going to do that. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear it through my microphone, but click on start. Right, I'm making a note now about something in the scene that I need to remember, and then to end recording press stop. So here we go, and up pops a little note there. You can just see it down here. Let's zoom in a bit to have a look at that. Okay, and if you double click on that, right, I'm making a note now about something in the scene that I need. Double click again to stop, right, I'm making a or right click I should say, something in the scene, and stop. There you go. So right clicking on all of these gives you the option to open and close them as well. I don't know if you could hear that, but it was just repeating what I'd said. Okay, so the note tool is quite a useful tool if you're in specific jobs. You could always leave a note to remind you of certain things about the image as well. So that is the note tool.